Hi everyone. It's a special day. It's a birthday of our YouTube family, physics coach. This journey started with one dream to make physics easy, fun, and meaningful for every student. From our first video to hundred of lesson today, you have been with me. I'm so happy today. Through every concept, every challenge, and every success, you are with me. I'm so happy today. I will once again thank you to each subscriber, viewers who made this possible. You are the real strength behind the physics coach. And I'm so happy that we have crossed lots of selection in various engineering and medical examination and various Olympiads our student cracked. This journey doesn't stop here. Bigger goals, bigger projects, deep learning are on the way. So once again, keep learning, keep growing, take proper sleep, take proper food, and keep increase your aspiration higher, higher, and higher. We will provide you quality content. We are with you always. So once again, thank you so much, and a very very happy special birthday to our YouTube family, this physics coach. I'm not a physics coach. You people are the physics coach. Okay, you people are the real strength behind this physics coach. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.